In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create two Gmail accounts in same number. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a second Gmail using the same phone number you already have for verification. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and access to your phone to receive an SMS code. First, open the Gmail app on your phone or go to Gmail.com in your browser. If you are already signed in, look to the top right corner. You'll see your profile picture or initial. Tap or click that. Then choose Add another account. This takes you into Google Sign-in and Setup flow, where you can add a brand new account without affecting your existing one. Next, select Create Account. You'll be asked who the account is for. Choose for my personal use if this is for everyday email, or for work or business, if you want it connected to business features. Either option will let you create another Gmail address. The choice mainly affects how Google tailors recommendations and tools. Now, enter your basic details. Type your first and last name, your birthday, and if prompted, your gender. You'll then create a new Gmail username. Try a few variations if the one you want is already taken. Adding a middle initial, extra characters, or a meaningful number often helps you find something available while keeping it memorable. When you see the phone verification screen, enter your existing mobile number. It's fine to use the same number you've used before. Google allows multiple accounts to be verified with one number, though limits can vary by region and usage patterns. Double-check the country code and number, so your code arrives quickly. Google will text you a verification code. When it comes in, enter the code exactly as shown. If it doesn't arrive right away, wait a moment, confirm you have signal, and ensure your phone can receive SMS. You'll then set a password. Choose something strong that you don't use elsewhere. Ideally a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid common words or easily guessed patterns, and keep it somewhere secure. Finally, follow the remaining on-screen prompts to finish creating your account. You may see options to review privacy and personalization settings. And you might be offered features like backup or suggestions to add recovery information. Adjust these based on your preferences, then confirm to complete setup. That's it. You've created a new Gmail account, and you can repeat these same steps to create a second one using the same phone number. Thanks for watching.